Welcome to Research Technique series. I have just made a small survey. Say survey of pens. If the price of the pen is 1 rupee, the dealer can sell 50 pens. If the price is 2 rupees, dealer can sell only 47. This is only a data created by me, but this is actually near about the fact. If pens is very costly, people buy less. For instance, if your pen is costing 75 rupees, 100 rupees, Parker pen, you will buy hardly one pen in a year. But if the pens are very small, ball pens are 1 rupee, 2 rupees, you will buy and even sign it and forget it, throw away. So retailers also sell many pens when they are cheap. They might have kept it on the shelf. So many people buy and they take and they say 1 rupee pen, okay, give me 10. He will give 10 rupees and buy 10. But if the pen is 5 rupees, then he will say, no, I want to less. So in a day, dealer can sell, price is 1 rupee, they can sell 50. If the price is 10 rupees, dealer can sell only 4 pens. So this is the data I have created. Now this you can view it in charts. And this you can view as you can find out the correlation also at home, that there is a correlation. So I am going to do now regression and test the regression whether they are really good or bad. So I'm going to do it in R. As say DF4, anywhere where I can say read.csv, inverted commas begin, C : users Sachdeva, my file, OneDrive, desktop, demand, CSV. This is the file I have created. And I will see this DSV. I want to view it. View DF4. What is that? DF4. View DF4. This is the view. Price 1, 2, 3. Same. I have shown you the same price has come. Okay. Now I'll go to my view. Which view? Console. This is I will go to show all panes. Now this is the console. Now how I did ANOVA, same way I will do. I will create another say RG. I will create a variable RG, a regression wala. So regression RG, and for this we use LM, linear model. Linear model is what I am going to do. This is my demand, is my Y variable. So I will use this DF4 $demand. That this tilde DF4 $price. Comma data. This is the same way as your ANOVA. Data is DF. Now let us see whether I have done any mistake in writing. Oh, okay. Demand is. Let us see. Because this R usually creates the problem with capital letters. And you are right. So demand is capital. Now we will we'll say RG. We can say simply what is RG. We can write it. So RG may it will tell you what is the intercept. Intercept is 49 and your coefficient is minus 4.364. Minus means what? There is a negative relationship. No? Price is increasing, demand is falling. So that is why this is minus 4.364. So you can write down the equation here as demand is equal to 49 minus 4.364 price. But we want to test it. So you will write it here as summary. What that summary is? RG. Summary RG. So then it will give the ANOVA table. It will give you the ANOVA table. ANOVA table, what is the summary? It has given you what is R squared, what is adjusted R square, what is this? What is the meaning of R square? R square means 0.8445. What does it mean? It means 84.55% of demand is explained by price. It means there is error of 15.45. Error is 15.4. So it means in this model, if you want to forecast the demand, there will be error of 15.455 because this demand is explained by price 84.55%. So it means there is, see, price demand does not depend upon price. There are many other things. No? So that is why this R squared is 84.5. And F is 43.77. P value is 0.000166. It means this is less than 0.05. It means model is statistically significant. Model is statistically significant. So we have written here, we can also write down ANOVA RG. Let us see what does this ANOVA says. ANOVA says this one. It is same the ANOVA table. So first we have just written RG. It has told us this one, whether what is the coefficients, what is the intercept, what is the coefficient. When we put the summary, it told us what is R square, what is multiple R square, what is F, whether it is significance or not. If we put ANOVA, then it tells everything. So this one is degree of freedom is 1, 15.7091 is the sum. This one is sum of the squares. Mean is coming this divided by 1, this, 15.1 this. And residuals means error. Sum of square is 287.09. Degrees of freedom are left are 8. See, total observations are 10. Total degrees of freedom will be 10 minus 1, 9. So 1 goes for price, another 8 goes for residuals. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So residuals are there. So F has been calculated 1570.91 divided by 35.89. So this F value comes out to be 43.775. P value is 0.001665. So significance is there with 0.001. P value is, this model is statistically significant at 0.0001. So this is what ANOVA is there. Analysis of variance should be understood properly and all the outputs should be clearly defined and understood.
The region is connected with mainland of the country by 22.5 kilometers at Siliguri corridor. That is, a vast area is only connected by 22.5 kilometers only. One side Bangladesh, another side Nepal. This corridor only 22.5 kilometers. this vast land is connected with this mainland. The northeast region consists of 8 states of the country. They are Sikkim inserts at 2002, Sikkim, then Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, and Tripura. Excepting Sikkim and Assam, the more or less 90% budget of all states depend on central grant in aid.
You may submit your research work at Journal of Global Economy, rcssindia.org. Your work is evaluated by peers with double-blind methodology. You will get comments for your work. Thank you.